You don't need to waste time and money on low-quality AI video tools. To prove it, I researched more than 30 AI video models and kept only the 4 best ones. Today, I'm not only going to show you what they are, I'm going to show you how to configure them to get the best results and avoid making mistakes while you use them. And because not everyone wants to create the same type of video, I'm bringing you tools for every use case, from horizontal video generation with sound to vertical videos with avatars. And if you want to use the best models like Seedance or other top video models, I also found a method. Everything completely free. The first tool is Hunyuan Video. This one is not very well known, mostly because the interface is in Chinese. And if you try to use right-click translate, it may not work correctly. So I prepared the translations you need, and I'll show them on screen while we use it. Open Hunyuan from my website in the description. I put every direct link there, so you do not have to search through Chinese pages. Also, you'll be able to use text and image AIs for free at the end of the video. I'll show you how to get it. Once you are on the Hunyuan video page, click Try It Now. A login window will open. Ignore the first 2 options and use the third one. In the first field, type your email. Then click the option to get the code. Copy the code from your Gmail inbox, paste it here, check this box, and sign in. Now you're inside the generator. The first interface is text to video. There are several options here, but the one I kept using was director mode. Keep this activated because it adapts your prompt to what the platform understands best, and the result usually comes out cleaner than sending the prompt raw. Now open More Settings. Here, you can change the aspect ratio, so you can generate vertical clips instead of horizontal ones. The setting that surprised me most was Fluid Camera. This lets the video use different shots, camera movements, and scene changes, so the result feels much closer to an edited clip instead of one static AI shot. Then you have Rich Actions. This makes the platform focus more movement detail on the main character or main object in the video. If your prompt has a person, a product, or one clear subject, this helps that subject stand out. You also have Image to Video. Upload an image, add a prompt, choose the final quality, and decide whether you want audio. At least right now, Hunyuan lets me generate free and unlimited video clips with audio, camera movement, aspect ratio control, and image to video in the same place. The rest of the tool still feels less advanced, so I would not spend much time there yet. If all you need is free horizontal clips with sound and camera control, Hunyuan may already be enough. But if you want vertical content, TikToks, Reels, Shorts, or Avatar videos, this is where I would switch tools. The second one is Symphony Creative Studio. And with Symphony, I would move fast. This tool felt completely free a few days ago, but now I'm already seeing credits and beta labels. They still give a lot of weekly credits, so we can keep using it for free without any problem. AI video is changing fast, so if you want me to keep testing these tools before they become paid or limited, subscribe and tell me in the comments if you want more free AI videos. Open Symphony Creative Studio, then sign in with Google or TikTok. Go into video generation. Select text to video. Add your prompt, generate, and you can already get a usable starting clip. But the better workflow is not starting with text to video. Switch to image generation first. From here, you can use NanoBanana, one of the best image models available inside this platform. Ask for the scene or product image you want, and Symphony will give you 4 images. If one of them is close but not exactly right, click the pencil icon. That adds it to the prompt box below, and now you can ask for changes instead of starting from 0. Once the image is ready, select Generate Video above that image. This turns the selected image into a video. The advantage is that the image locks the look first, so the video model is not inventing everything in one step. The feature I used most here was VoiceOver Avatar. Open VoiceOver Avatar and choose from the avatar catalog. Keep scrolling because the list is much larger than it first looks. Choose the avatar you want.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with digital avatar. Get started by simply typing your script.
Then click Continue. Now, write the text you want the avatar to say. If you click the voice section, you'll get a huge list of voices. At the top, you can filter by language, accent, and other options. Choose the voice that fits the video. Then adjust settings like speed and language. This helps if you like the tone of a voice, but you want it to speak in another language. Click Generate. First, Symphony turns the text into audio. Listen to it before creating the avatar. If the voice sounds right, click Generate again. When the avatar is finished, go to Assets at the bottom, and your generation will be there.
If you want to discover the best free AI tools, subscribe to Malva AI.
You can also use Product Avatar. Upload a product image, an object, or a clothing item that you already generated, or a real product that exists. Choose an avatar from the list, and use the previews to see how each avatar interacts with objects. Generate the options, choose the image that best matches the size and position of what you are trying to sell, and then click Animate. Now the avatar is ready. There is also a video editor. You can add the clips you generated and even drag in a mask to place an avatar over the video as if it is commenting on what is happening. But if the goal is pure video quality and not avatars or product content, the model I wanted to reach was Seedance. I found two ways to do it. With the first one, you can create videos like this. I created this video using the new Higgsfield Supercomputer. Have you ever wondered what would happen if we put the best AI models, agents, and automations in one place? We would be creating a supercomputer. Inside it, you can do almost anything. For example, you can ask it to use one of these reasoning models to research which products are going viral this year, then create a ready-to-publish ad for one of those products, and then prepare an email for the company selling it, showing them the ad and explaining how it could help them reach more people. And it doesn't stop there. Higgsfield includes agents that handle the tasks for you. And because you can connect it with Telegram or Google Docs, you can automate the workflow so you don't even have to send the emails yourself. Of course, if what you want is a Seedance video that grabs attention, you can ask for that too. But before generating it, I would ask it to research the strongest hooks for a viral video, and then create the video around that. Several agents start the research, and you get a Seedance video ready for the world to see. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. Now, if you want the free option, even if it is a little less powerful, use Byte Plus. Open Byte Plus. The Seedance models are a little hidden here, so follow the path carefully. First, go to the top right and sign in or create an account. You can use a Google account to make it fast. Then go back to the main page. Scroll down a little and use these arrows until the Seedance 2.0 model appears. Click it. In this menu, click Start Now. On the next page, click Go to Playground. Now you are inside the generator. And here you can choose between the Seedance models available in the playground. At the moment, I cannot use Seedance 2.0 from here, but I can use Seedance 1.5 Pro for free. But be careful with the settings. First, choose the aspect ratio you need, then set the resolution to 720p for the first test. If the result is worth keeping, generate again at 1080p. Do not start every idea at the highest resolution, because that is how you burn through credits before knowing whether the prompt works. I would also set the number of videos per generation to 1. If the prompt is bad, 4 versions of the same bad prompt will not help. Test the direction first, then spend more only when it is working. The credits here are free. They refill over time, and if you run out on one model, you can open an earlier model, and you may have the maximum credits available again. Some models only work from image to video, but Byte Plus also has an image generation section. Open image generation, choose one of the models, and generate the image you need. Most of them give you around 200 image generations, so this is where I would test the look before spending video credits. Choose the image that works best. Remember that here you can also adjust bitrate and quality. Then go back to video generation, upload the image, and turn it into a video.
That is the smarter way to use Byte Plus. Test the look with images first, then spend video credits only when the frame already looks right. So once the prompt is clean, and you only need a few videos that look as strong as possible, use Arena. Arena is different because it is not a normal generator where you pick one exact model and keep using it. Open Arena and go to Direct Chat. Here, you can use some of the best AI models for text, images, and code. But for video, the section we need is Battle Mode. In Battle Mode, select Generate Videos. Add your prompt, and Arena will generate 2 videos using 2 random models from its list of very strong video models. Then, you vote for the one that did the better job. That vote helps Arena rank the models, and in exchange, you get access to video generations from models that are usually much harder or more expensive to use directly. You can also download the videos, so even though the generations are limited, the result is not trapped inside the platform. The limit is small, so I would not waste Arena on rough prompts. If you want a full video only about Arena and how to use all these models for free, let me know in the comments. If you want the prompts, the direct links, and use free AI, go to my website in the description. Open PDF guides and you'll find the guides for the videos I have published so far. You can download them and get access to the information from each video, so you can copy the prompts and links without wasting time writing everything manually. You'll also find the free AI chat. You can ask questions without paying, so it is useful if you want a free chat option for your prompts and questions. We even added a model that generates very high-quality images. You just need to sign in and start using it. I also recommend checking the other sections on the website because there are more tools there that can be useful depending on what you are trying to create.